Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by preparing the table and confirming safety. Make a quick backup or ensure recent full backup exists. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, inspect the column you plan to use as the primary key, verify uniqueness, or plan to create a new identity column. Open SQL Server Management Studio or connect via SQL CMD and set the database context. Once done, you're ready to either alter the column or add the constraint with a single alter table statement. You will now execute the core commands to add the primary key. If the column is unique, run alter table your table add constraint pk your table primary key your column. This creates the index and enforces uniqueness. If you need a surrogate, add an int identity column, then set it as the pk in a separate alter. For duplicate rows, identify them with a CTE and either remove or consolidate entries before creating the constraint to avoid errors during enforcement. You will finish by validating and tuning the new primary key. Check the constraint in sys. Key constraints or refresh SSMS to confirm the PK exists and points to the right column. Rebuild or reorganize the new index if needed to improve performance. Drop overlapping non-clustered indexes if redundant. If the alter fails, make sure no null, duplicates, or blocking foreign keys exist. Fix those issues, then retry. As a troubleshooting tip, always run a duplicate check query first to avoid mid-change rollbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.